Hey dessert enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Sweet Adventures in the Kitchen. Today, I'm about to take you on a delicious journey through the sweet and flaky layers of one of Greece's most beloved desserts, baklava. This dessert is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. So grab your aprons and let's dive right in. Trust me, you're going to love making this as much as you'll enjoy eating it. First up, here's what you'll need. One 16-ounce package of phyllo dough, which is the foundation of our baklava. It's thin, crispy, and oh so delicate. 1 pound of chopped nuts. You can use a mix of walnuts, pistachios, and almonds for a rich, nutty flavor. 1 cup of melted butter. This will help give our baklava that golden, crispy texture. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon to add a warm, spicy note to the nut mixture. And don't forget a cup of water. A cup of white sugar, which will be used to make our sweet syrup. A teaspoon of vanilla extract for a hint of aromatic flavor, and half a cup of honey, which will give our syrup a rich, sweet taste. Got everything? Awesome. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This is crucial for getting that perfect bake. Butter the bottom and sides of a 9x 13-inch pan. This will prevent the baklava from sticking and make it easier to serve. Now, chop those nuts and toss them with cinnamon. This mixture will be the heart of our baklava. Set that aside. We'll come back to it soon. Unroll your phyllo dough and cut the whole stack in half to fit your pan. This will make it easier to layer. Cover the phyllo with a damp cloth to keep it from drying out. This step is crucial because phyllo dough dries out very quickly. Trust me, you don't want it drying out. It becomes brittle and hard to work with. Place 2 sheets of dough in the pan and butter them thoroughly with a pastry brush. This will help each layer stick together and add flavor. Repeat this until you have 8 sheets layered. This forms the base of our baklava. Sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of the nut mixture on top. This will be the first layer of our filling. Now top with 2 more sheets of dough, butter, and continue layering with nuts and dough. Keep repeating this process. Your top layer should be about 6 to 8 sheets deep. This will give the baklava a nice, thick top crust. Using a sharp knife, cut your baklava into diamond or square shapes, going all the way to the bottom of the pan. This will make it easier to serve later. You can cut it into 4 long rows and then make diagonal cuts. This is the traditional way to cut baklava. Bake for about 50 minutes until it's golden and crisp. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make your mouth water. While your baklava is baking, let's make the syrup. This is what will give our baklava its signature sweetness. Boil a cup of sugar and a cup of water until the sugar is melted. This forms the base of our syrup. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of honey. This will give the syrup a rich, complex flavor. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This will thicken the syrup and intensify the flavors. Once your baklava is out of the oven, immediately spoon the syrup over it. This will soak into the layers and make the baklava wonderfully moist. Let it cool, and voila! Your baklava is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it on cupcake paper. This makes it easy to handle and adds a touch of elegance. This freezes well, but leave it uncovered as it can get soggy if wrapped up. You can enjoy it later without losing any of its deliciousness. And there you have it. Delicious homemade Greek baklava. Perfect for any occasion or just a sweet treat for yourself. If you love this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Spread the joy of baking. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Enjoy your baklava. And don't forget to leave a comment below on how yours turned out. And remember, good things come to those who bake. Cheers. Keep baking and keep smiling.